Hi everyone! For today's episode of Foodie Pinoy, we're going to recreate Tuding's pork chop recipe using pork belly. Tuding's is one of the most popular pork chop eateries in Laguna, and yes, they only serve pork chop partnered with rice and egg, and people are not getting tired of it. Instead, many keeps on coming back. Enough with the introduction, and let's proceed with the cooking. Here are the ingredients: half kilograms pork belly, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 4 cloves garlic, 1 stalk of lemongrass. Remove the hard part and discard the bottom. Then smash. 1 teaspoon pepper and oil for frying. First, we're going to boil the pork belly. Arrange the pork belly in a pot, then add the lemongrass, garlic, soy sauce, pepper, and a bit of salt. Add around 2 cups of water, then bring to boil in medium to high heat. Lower the heat when it starts to boil and cook for 30 to 45 minutes until the pork is tender. After 30 minutes, the water had been reduced and the pork is tender. Remove the pork belly from the pot and let it cool for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Our pork belly had been rested for 1 hour, so we will proceed with frying. Put oil in the pan, and once hot enough, slowly place the pork belly in the oil. Be careful because this will produce a lot of dangerous splatters. I need to cover mine because the splatter is becoming uncontrollable. Frying will not take time because the pork had been pre-boiled. Fry the pork belly for 1 minute each side to achieve the golden brown color. Do not overcook the pork because it will be dry and hard. Here's our pork belly a la Tuding's. Partner with rice and egg to complete your meal. This crispy, guiltful dish is a must-try in every household. I bet you will also enjoy this dish the way we did. Try this at home and let us know your feedback. Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye, and it's a wrap!